Hello everyone! For today's cooking vlog, we are going to cook a curry vermicelli noodles. These are the ingredients, guys. Then, you're gonna use this three kind of aroma. Ginger, garlic, and red onion. This is very important, scallion for this recipe. Scallion. I'm gonna use 4 eggs. This is the main ingredients. It's a vermicelli noodles. It should be vermicelli noodles, guys. Don't use the noodles that we are using in Philippines. That's different one that we are using in the pancit. Don't use that if you're going to cook this dish. And we're going to put a shrimp. Okay, guys. So first, we're going to cook the egg. Any kind of oil. Use 4 eggs. 1, 2, now we are going to cook the shrimp. So shrimp first. Organic cayenne and curry powder, then 1 teaspoon of curry paste, organic cayenne, and curry. 1 teaspoon of curry paste, so this is the shrimp. Don't overforget. We're going to cook it later together with the shrimp. Now we are going to cook all the vegetables. We are going to use the same fat, oil. We have garlic here. Garlic. Red onion, 1 whole red onion. Drop from the vegetables, carrots, Pero hindi pa doon nag-confirm si Aren. Wala pa, hindi pa nag-reply. Okay guys, so we're done. Now we are going to cook the sauce. So first, I'm going to cook a water. Put a water. Then I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of curry paste. 1, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Not the normal soy sauce, guys. Okay. Then 1 tablespoon of black soy sauce. I'm going to put a 1/2 teaspoon of curry powder. Okay guys. Just vermicelli noodles. Don't put hot water. Just soak it 30 minutes in the water, guys. So then we are going to cook in here. Gonna put now. Just cook the vermicelli for like about 3 minutes, guys, before you were going to put the ingredients that we already prepared, that we already cooked. Okay guys, so now I'm going to put the vegetables. Ayan na, magkakarwasa na yan tayo ilagay lahat yan. The vegetables. Now, the shrimp, guys. The egg. Okay.